A second pre-trial hearing took place at the Constitutional Court this afternoon. For details, our correspondent Oh Soo-young is standing by live at the venue. Soo-young, I hear today's session stretched on quite a bit amid some tense words between the two sides.
Good evening, Tongmin. Yes, that's right. So we expected the hearing to last around 40 minutes like last time, and also during the preparatory hearing for former President Park Geun-hye for her impeachment. But today's session lasted around 1 hour and 20 minutes because of these very heated exchanges. And while President Yoon team, they contested the grounds suggested by the National Assembly's impeachment panel, saying that they're based on media reports and mere opinions, also accusing the media of being hostile to the president. They also contested the National Assembly's decision not to include insurrection charges as one of the grounds for impeachment, saying that it was fundamentally inconsistent with Parliament's resolution to impeach the president. Now, when one of the presiding justices pointed out that Yoon's team had not even offered a basic stance on first why the martial law was ordered and also why troops were sent into the National Assembly, Yoon's lawyers said it is simply impossible to offer a basic opinion and that as much as the nation's leader faces impeachment, the proceeding must be taken all the more seriously. Now here, the National Assembly's representatives accused Yoon's team of delaying tactics, which of course the team denied, and they said that they've been strenuously preparing for the trial. However, as Yoon's legal team walked into the court for the hearing, attorney Park Geun-hye appeared to suggest that they will continue to contest the proceedings.
Without a proper evidence review, merely because a few Constitutional Court justices are nearing retirement, the process is being rushed. I won't use the term hasty, but if this process concludes that quickly, it defies common sense.
Despite the trade of tough words, the hearing itself, though, ended inconclusively.
That's right. So once again, the court tried to outline the main grounds for President Yoon's impeachment trial, as well as draw up a list of evidence and also witnesses that the two sides would like to present throughout the trial. However, the grounds for impeachment were not finalized. I mean, last time, the National Assembly's impeachment panel, they called for the declaration of martial law, the proclamation of martial law rules, the lockdown and disruption of Parliament, and fourth, the search and seizure of the National Election Commission as the main grounds. Today, they said they would like to add Yoon's alleged order to detain judicial figures, including former Chief Justice Kim Myung-soo, as a separate ground for impeachment. Otherwise, the two justices assigned to the case only got as far as confirming and partially selecting evidence and witnesses, mostly presented by the National Assembly side, of course. President Yoon's side did not submit a list of witnesses and asked for more time to prepare their evidence plan for the trial proceedings until the next preparatory hearing. However, the court decided not to schedule another trial preparatory hearing. They're going to go straight into the trial sessions beginning on January 14th at 2 p.m. and the second session 2 days later. Excluding the Lunar New Year holiday at the end of January, the court plans to hold hearings around twice a week on Tuesdays and Thursdays until February 4th.
Now, you touched upon this during your coverage yesterday, Soo-young. So we are looking ahead to some tangible advances in legal proceedings then, given the presence of 8 justices at the court now.
That's right. So as of New Year's Day, we have 8 justices at the Constitutional Court. Now, of course, that's one short of a full 9-member panel, but it is the same number as when former President Park Geun-hye was impeached in 2017. Now, if we refer to legal experts and their opinions, they widely believe that the court will decide on President Yoon's impeachment before April 18th. Now, that's when senior justices Moon Young-bae and Lee Mi-sun are set to retire, and the court is likely to issue a ruling before another vacancy complicates the process. Now, if we refer to past trials, the court held hearings 2 to 3 times a week for President Park Geun-hye, with 3 preparatory hearings and 17 trial hearings in total. However, the timeline for Yoon's proceedings, of course, largely depends on his team's cooperation with the court. If Yoon's defense requests dozens of witnesses or raises procedural objections, then the trial could face delays.
All right, thanks for the coverage, Soo-young. Keep us posted.